Hey kids, here we are. Lesson 3, level 5. Again, choose your own adventure using the math.pal um, function. And let's do the population growth. So this researcher wants to estimate how much the population in several cities will grow over time. So they are using this formula. Total population equals starting population times 2.7, which is roughly E, raised to the growth times time. And so in the City Runner class, we have created a city object, Manhattan. And the city takes two parameters or arguments. One, I assume, is the name as a string. And I'm assuming this other number must be the population. Let's go to the City Java tab for a second and check it out. Yep. So there are two private instance variables. There's a name and a current population. And then down here in the constructor, there is the public city, which takes a name and a population. And there's get your population. And here is the calculate growth that we need to do. So in this tab, we're going to write the calculate growth method. And so it's going to have a parameter and a time. So we're going to take our starting population. So I don't need to use like city dot because I am in the class, but it is current population. So I need to get current population. I actually don't. I can just go current population. Current population times 2. Now I have to go math.pal 2.7 raised to the growth rate times time. That looks good. Now in the City Runner, we need to call the growth rate method to get the estimated growth rate and print the current and estimated new population. So let's go system.out.println, and that is Manhattan.calculate growth rate. Let's make sure, were there any parameters? Oh, there were. Growth rate and double time. And I don't know what my growth rate is. They haven't given me one. And my time. So I'm just going to put in a growth rate of 0.05 and a time of 10. How about that? No idea what's going to happen. So let's see what happens here. Did not like that, did it? Did not like that. Let's see if I spelled. Did I just calculate growth, not calculate growth rate. Come on, Steve, don't do that. Let's see if this works. Here you go. Let's run the test. See how the test does. Bam.